Easy Texting Zapier integration creates unlimited potential for SMS messaging at the power of your fingertips. Integrating your Easy Texting account with Zapier, a popular app dedicated to workflow automation without the need for a developer, allows you to easily leverage SMS communications and notifications into your everyday workflows. Reach your customers instantly and improve productivity by making customer communications more timely, convenient, and efficient. With Easy Texting's powerful Zapier integration, you can easily send welcome texts after a Facebook lead form is filled out, follow up with SMS messages for new Shopify customers, send text reminders for upcoming events scheduled in Google Calendar, and so much more. With over 2,000 popular SaaS apps at your disposal, Easy Texting and Zapier are a perfect combination to level up your text marketing strategy. Get started in just a few clicks, and you'll be creating powerful custom workflows without the need for a developer in no time.